Hello. Muling programmer na mo. Muling sa miniature. Sa circuit ko. Nawala din yung pinantes. Muling project na mo. Ginatawag ni siya nga laundry shop.
Subangan.
See that, ha? Laundry shop. Basta man tingali mo, no? Sige, play. Amo i-demo karon kung saan mag-operate ang among project.
Run the program first.
Oh, you close first. Oh, monitor. Yeah.
Creator?
Oh. Lahat siya, no? Manual na siya, manual.
Okay.
Open. Ikaw sa water, kay ikaw may kabay sa water. Ayaw, busa nun. Katurang kuan, pamahagi na to. Tapos anara sa imong kamot.
Dapan.
Look at the pan. Yes, it's already dead.
Balik. Again.
Look at the fan. You see that? You can see. Start. Oh. Almost, ha?
The timer.
The timer. You set the timer.
Hindi ko naman ito. Ito sa wala ko.
Now set the timer.
4:59. Anak. Okay.
Oh, it's too long. 4:59.
10 seconds.
Ito ka?
Anak.
See that? You see that? Huh? Very
Starting.
We pass now. We have evidence so that if we are failed, this is the evidence.